Very good morning, all of you. And it gives immense pleasure to being with all of you. So I'm very happy that when I was there at Guinea and introduced this our MedManner product over there. And thank you very much your cooperations extended to me when I was there. And today we would like to introduce two more products for that. Actually, I have discussed these products initially there when I was there a year back. That is our Calora as well as Glymed. Today we'll little detail we'll discuss about Calora as well as Glymed. So let us start with that. Calora is nothing but the brand of Calamine, and combination is Calamine, allantoin, vitamin E, and with aloe vera base. This Calora or Calamine combination, which is used for as itch specialist, any kind of itching, like insect bite, viral infection, contact dermatitis, or even urticaria. These conditions, this is very effective, Calora. What we told doctor, the itch specialist. Why is this itch specialist Calamine? Calamine is anti-pruritic actually. First is anti-pruritic. You know what is pruritic? Pruritic means itching. Pruritic means itching. Against itching. Anti-itching. That is called anti-pruritic. Calamine is an anti-pruritic, anti-itching, and antiseptic. Antiseptic means against septic. That means you know very well. Septic means that is preventing the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. You understand? This is. Second one is antiseptic, against septic. It becomes worst condition or septic to prevent this one. By way of preventing the growth of microorganisms, disease-causing microorganisms. That is called antiseptic. What is astringent? It is called here. It is astringent. Astringent, nothing but contraction of skin cells and body tissues. So that itching, inflammation and other is there. This skin will stretch and become big, bulge. Even any places it will bulge, become big, and redness, everything will be there. That will calm down. That will help. This Calamine is help to contract the skin cells as well as body tissues. This is what astringent. Then we'll go to, hope you understand what is Calamine. Then comes allantoin. Allantoin, another ingredient which protects extremely dry and dehydrated skin. And this itching and other thing is there. It will be dry because easily we lose the moisturizing effect and lose the water. That means dehydrated skin means lose the water, lost the water. Water will be losing. So that conditions, allantoin will help to protect extremely dry condition. It will protect and try to keep the moisture. So the dehydrated skin will not be there. That will be protected because the water content will be protected. That is the advantage of allantoin. One more advantage is there, allantoin. That is especially the scars and all get reduced because it will help. This allantoin will help regenerate the skin. Regenerate the skin, thereby the tissue skin and regenerate. Thereby the scars get reduced. Repair the skin. Actually repair the skin, allantoin. So that scars and black marks, scars and all get reduced. That's one more advantage of allantoin. which is missing with most of other brands, because many brands just Calamine they are offering, or some other combination. But most of the brand, I think this is the first brand with Allantoin. So these two advantages are there. Second thing, vitamin. Here we have vitamin E also there. Vitamin E is very skin friendly antioxidant, and skin tone to keep the tone of skin. Vitamin E will do. That's the advantage. After itching and all, no itching, irritation, even urticaria or other insect bite or any other problems, no, that skin will be little rough in condition, little rough. After applying our Calora, all other advantages there. At the same time, vitamin E will help to make the skin tone back and make the skin smooth and clean. So that part also will be taken care. After the problems are getting over, skin also will be protected and will be the tone will be replaced and it will be very smooth. Third one, we offer aloe vera lotion as base. This aloe vera lotion, aloe vera, you know, it is a soothing effect will be there and moisturize the skin. What aloe vera is doing, it's a plant. Aloe vera is a plant extract actually. We know very well, and it's moisturize the skin. It is moisturize, the water content will retain well, because once this itching, urticaria or insect bite, viral infection, contact dermatitis is there, dehydrate the skin. That is the basic problem with this skin actually. That is the basic problem with this problem, itching after that. So aloe vera lotion moisturize the skin, keep the moisture, so skin will be remaining as good, and improves elasticity. What is the improves elasticity? What do you mean by elasticity? Elasticity means they make the skin come back to the normal tone, normal way. It will come back to the normal way. That is the advantage of this aloe vera. It will come back. Normally, I told it will stretch. Itching, irritation, urticaria or anything is there, skin will stretch. So what aloe vera will do? It moisturizes the skin, so thereby improves elasticity. It will come back to the normal shape. That is what elasticity. Ensures better absorption. So this is because of moisturizing all these effects. This is easily allow this Calamine to absorb to the skin. It will allow the absorb the skin. So what advantage? There will not be any powdering and caking. That is another advantage. No powdering, no caking, because aloe vera is there. So aloe vera will not allow to make dry skin and ensures better absorption. Easily get absorbed. There will not be any powder or caking. Completely gets absorbed and excellent result will be there. So please consider Calora lotion for insect bite, viral infection, contact dermatitis too. Contact dermatitis, insect bite, insect hitting and bite and all, Viral infections, even corona is a viral virus, and any kind of viral infections. Sometimes viral infection is there, itching, irritation is a common complaint, very well. That time this is very effective. Then contact dermatitis. Contact dermatitis, very well. Many times we'll put watches and all, watch that straps always will touch us with the skin. That time, sometimes itching, irritation will be there. Many people use shoes and or any leather items or chappals. Those things, when constant contact with that one, that also creates some itching, irritation, discoloration, all these problems. That makes itching. That also, this contact dermatitis, Calora will reduce those problems like insect bite, viral infection and contact dermatitis. In fact, Calora after that soothes, moisturizes and relieves. So hope you will understand What is Calora? Let us just as a nutshell once again will tell. This is a wonderful product as a moisturizing as well as itching will get reduced. Better moisturizing will offer, itching will get reduced and scars will remove. Because calamine is there, antipruritic. You understood what is antipruritic? Against itching. Pruritic means itching. Against itching. Antipruritic, antiseptic. Already discussed with you. And what is septic? This is antiseptic means reduce the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. So microorganisms, disease-causing microorganisms growth will get reduced since Calora is having antiseptic effect. Also, it's an astringent. I told you what is astringent. It helps to contract the skin cells as well as body tissues. So, in cases like what do you call itching, irritation, and even viral infection, or even urticaria cases, skin will get bulge or all these problems, enlarged, bulge, all these problems there. Astringent effect that will reduce it, that will contract the skin, that will help to contract the skin. Then allantoin, once again I am done it. Very good product, a very good ingredient, excellent combination because protects extremely dry and dehydrated skin. That is protects extremely dry because it's having its own moisturizing effect and dehydrate the skin. Already water loss will prevent, so that dehydration will get prevented. Then allantoin, one more advantage which is only our Calora is having, that is allantoin is having the effect and that ingredient helps to regenerate the skin, repair the skin. So thereby my dear people, once it regenerates the skin, that will helps to remove that scars outside. What all the scars are there in the skin after itching, irritation, all this, even agony, all this, even stretch mark, all these problems, are there that can be get reduced because of allantoin. This is only right now Calora is having this benefit of that reducing the scars. Third thing, vitamin E, already discussed once again, reminding only, skin friendly antioxidant that helps to bring back the tone of the skin. It makes the actual skin tone, as actual way of the skin, because after itching and all it may become rough or anything, that also will be taken care, that bring back to the normal tone and good glow to the skin, all make better way and perfect way in the skin. Vitamin E advantage. Aloe vera lotion we already discussed, moisturize the skin. Moisturizing is very very important. That is why again allantoin we said moisturizing the skin. Again aloe vera also we added to moisturize the skin. Why? Because this itching and irritation after this urticaria or insect bite anything, itching and other thing makes dry the skin. So to avoid that, moisturize the skin, improves elasticity. Improving elasticity, already I told the bring back to the normal condition. The skin bring back to the normal condition and ensures better absorption. So the aloe vera ensures easy absorption. So what is the advantage of Calora here? Moisturize the skin. Apart from this is easily absorb this ingredient. So normal problems of any calamine when using dryness and caking and powdering. So they cannot apply and go outside. Here, because of aloe vera, it's ensuring easy absorption, no powdering, no caking. Thereby they can apply anytime, any face, including even face, they can apply and they can go outside without any problem. So you can confidently promote this product. What you are getting, the product is one of the best its kind available. And we put our best effort and you can promote to the doctors properly, and I'm sure you are going to get a wonderful sales with Calora lotion, because it's one of the best like our other product. Whenever we are putting effort, no, whenever we are bringing product, no, really we are putting good ingredients for to make that best one available. So utilize this best and do your best and a wonderful sales.